cutting out and making our reverse applique and applique, we've got some Vlies Affix, which is the glue that we're going to use for our applique. We've got our template, the colours that we want our heart, and then we've got our two main fabrics. As we've moved over to the iron, I have cut out my template in my Vlies Affix, and I've got my fabric. This is the right side of the fabric. We want to iron it onto the wrong side. We're going to feel our Vlies Affix. One side is rough. We're going to play the rough side down. And then we're going to get our iron. It's set to synthetic, as you can see there. And then we're going to iron it on. Stuck on. Once it's ready, we peel that off and go back to our main plate. Back at the iron, now we've cut around our Vlies Affix. We're going to carefully peel it off. We've got our glue here. We're going to place the glue down into the middle of our main fabric, and we're going to iron that in place. This will take a bit longer because the fabric is quite thick, so then we flip it over and do the other side. Now we have our love heart that's glued on nice, and we can ready to sew it. I'm ready to sew on my heart here, so I'm going to change it to satin stitch. Now satin stitch is a really close stitch. I'm going to choose 4 just because I don't want it too large, but I want it enough width. And then I'm going to do it really nice and close to this symbol here, which is the satin stitch. So we go up all the way to 0 and then wind down to half. Then hold the top threads tight, turn the handle towards you, and you start satin stitching really close to the edge of the fabric. So as you can see, my needle is on the blue and then onto the Moving on to our reverse applique, we're going to place our pink behind our main fabric. And then we're going to place the love heart on top, pin it and stitch it. So as you can see, I've got the pins with the paper template, the main fabric, and then my backing fabric. I'm going to go over and make sure I'm on a straight stitch. So that's 0 and I'm down here to 3. Then I'm going to straight stitch around my love heart. Reverse stitch to start. Needle down to turn a corner, press the foot up, pivot, place it down. It's okay if you accidentally sew through some of the paper, we will remove that later. All the way to where you started again, and 2 over stitches to finish. Needle up. Out, cut those threads, then we undo our template. Now we can see a beautiful love heart. We're going to cut out the middle of this love heart The only difference is we're only cutting through the blue. So you can see that my little first cut, and I've got the pink behind. I'm going to cut very close to the edge all the way around. I'll see you after I've done it.